Beauties, welcome back. What is going on? All right, you guys, glasses on. Let's do this. Today is BoxyCharm day, and this month's theme obviously is like super cute. It is candy shop, and if you can see it, it's got like a hand with blood and scissors and stuff like that. So it's pretty much a Halloween theme, but nothing screams Halloween to me in this box with the products that I got this month. But I'm pretty excited. I'm shocked over two of them. One of them I didn't even know existed, so let's get into it. The first thing I will mention though is a product that I'm not liking from my last month's box, which is that $1 billion thingy beauty blender that I got. Y'all, I'm not liking this. You know, lately I've been into beauty blenders or like beauty sponges or whatever. My holy grail is still my Morphe one. I'm loving my Hank and Henry, and there's another one that I've been using that I've been really liking, but I forgot the name of it. If I remember it, I'll put it in my description box for you. But you guys, this is just not fun. I like the fact that it's super soft. It does mimic a beauty blender like a lot. I've never used the beauty blender before, but just the shape and how it looks and everything looks exactly like a beauty blender. I like the tip of it only, but this soaks up so much product. I literally had to use more pumps than what I usually use with my Smashbox foundation because it was just like soaking up all the product, that it wasn't depositing it correctly on my face and how I like it and how it usually does with my other beauty sponges. So this one is gonna be a no-no for me. I do like the softness of it, you guys, but even when I blended out my concealer with this, it left like lines and stuff like that I will have to go back and try to blend out more. You can't really blend hard with this sponge, and I've never had any of those type of issues with any of my other sponges, so this is gonna be a no-no for me. So let's get into this month's box. The first thing on the list that I got was the Ciate London New England Editor palette. It's inspired by New England in the fall. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. This runs for $32. I will say I like the front of it, the packaging. I don't like the case because it feels super, obviously it's plastic, but it feels super cheap. And even the color story and everything about it just reminds me of I Love Revolution or Revolution something, that beauty brand that just copies everyone. I like the color story. I've swatched a few. Let's see how this goes. So this is the first thing that I got. It comes with a nice mirror. It does come with a lot of shadows for $32. I think that the price point is good on this. I really just don't like the packaging, except the print to be like accurate. I like the print. That's what I wanted to say, not the packaging. But you know, getting an eyeshadow in a box that's only $26 a month, I mean, it's already worth the box. So we're gonna try it out, see how it goes. I've never used Ciate London eyeshadows before. I have used some of their other stuff and I've liked their stuff so far, so let's see how that goes. So the next thing I got was the Luxie Wonderlust Set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for glam on the go. This runs for $40, and you guys, like, the bag, it's nice that it comes in the bag and everything, like for travel purposes and things like that, but this bag is hella cheap. Like, you can feel it, you know, I'm gonna be honest with you, but it feels hella cheap. And even like the lining is like that cheap plastic thingy inside, but I really like Luxie brushes. I'm just being a brat today with my products. But I really do like the rose gold with kind of like the lavender color on the handle. Sorry. I've tried Luxie brushes before. They've never failed me. Thanks to BoxyCharm, I really don't have to buy brushes anymore because I always get new brushes in my boxes. So that's great, and it saves me money. But yeah, it comes with these nice blending brushes. Let's see how this one goes. I do like that it comes with a brow brush because I use mine like all the time and I need to clean it, and it's nice to have a new one. And this one looks like it's a little bit angled. The other one that I have by Morphe is just straight, so I think that's cool. But yeah, I need some new blending brushes. Why not? But I'm probably like, I'll probably re-gift this or something. Oh, and by the way, I scooped up, I finally did, but I scooped up the J Kissa elf collaboration brushes. I wanted them when they first launched, but I wasn't gonna pay that much, so I think I got them on sale for like $17. Not bad. Just wanted to share that with you real quick. Now you guys, oh okay, you know I'm gonna be extra right now, but Farsali, seriously? And BoxyCharm? Like, I've never used Farsali before, like nothing from this brand. This brand is very well known. A lot of high subscriber YouTubers use this. They rave about this brand. Some of it I think is pricey. Some of them is budget friendly. This one is the Farsali Prive Quench. This one's for $24, and I'm gonna pull it out the box, but for $24 for a beautiful glass bottle, because this is glass, y'all. Like, this is not bad at all. But I think this is a moisture replenishing serum. It's supposed to hydrate and replenish. I'll read the card in a second, but I wanted to say it's probably gonna take me a while to even try to use this because I got a bunch of stuff in my skin fridge that I'm trying to get through. And what was it, for the first time I used the ColourPop oil the other day because my face was like dried, and my dry patches started coming through. The next morning, you guys, I woke up with so much texture on my face and like little red bumps on this side. I've never had that like happen before with an oil. Like, my go-to oil is the Maracuja oil by Tarte, and that one saves my skin every single time. Like, I went through my whole bottle. I need to buy another one. I've had the watermelon oil from ColourPop for a while, and I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. I have it. I need to like replenish my skin, give it some like hydration and stuff like that. Y'all, I don't think I'm gonna be using that anymore. I can't do it. I finally got, like, my little red dots finally went away, but I'm just like, really? So I'm just, you know me with the whole skin like stuff situation, but I'm excited. Like, this is Farsali, y'all. Farsali in a $26 subscription box. Okay, let me read you the card because I'm like beyond right now. I'm excited. So, a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. So again, that runs for $24. I love the packaging, love that it's a glass bottle. I'm really excited about that one. So let's get into the next one. The next one is Sol de Janeiro, or Sol de Janeiro, however you want to pronounce it. But we all know and love this brand because of their Bum Bum Cream. I had no idea this existed, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capauco, or however you want to pronounce that, but you know what word I'm talking about because they always use that word or ingredient in their stuff. But it's a lip butter, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Capauco butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. But they spell it differently because I think they spell it in the Brazilian way. But you guys, this is so cute. I like right away I tried it. Like, look at the packaging. It's like their body oil thing. It's so cute. I was just like, how did I not know this existed? And it's funny because I am like out of chapsticks and lip balms. I've been using the one that I bought from the Boxy pop-up, the milk one. And you guys, I'm not loving it. Like, it's been doing some crazy shit to my lips that I'm not liking. So I'm really glad that I got it for $3 and I tried it out for $3 instead of $18, because I would have been pissed and I would have returned it. But I bought it. I'm trying it out. Don't like it. I'm glad I got like a lip butter. I'm not sure if I've ever used a lip butter before. I need ColourPop to come out with their lip balms. I have tried so many chapsticks and lip balms and stuff like that in my lifetime. And I always think of ColourPop lip balms. Like, my mind always goes back to that because it was the most amazing lip balm I've ever come across, ever. And I need them to like come out with a new line, but with the same formula, same packaging. I love it. Or just re-release and restock that entire collection, because I need my lip balms, ColourPop, please. Like, I'm begging you. I've even left them Instagram messages about it, you guys. I'm not joking. They need to come back with their lip balms. But I'm excited over this lip butter. I tried it on when I first got the box like a day or two ago, and so far so good. So yeah, this runs for 20 bucks. So I'm excited about that one. And then I'm gonna gift this away to someone who already asked me for a pair of lashes, because you know that I don't do lashes on my channel. I don't wear them. I've tried them, not my thing. It's all good. But these are the Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink. They're lightweight and fluffy, handcrafted luxury lashes. Our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. These run for $20. I do like the whole it's kind of like a snake print thing, and I will say, you guys, like, the lashes itself are super pretty. They are really, really pretty. I'm just not a lash woman. It's just not me. But I'm gonna gift this to someone, and you can actually use this one up to 15 times. So that's great. So yeah, that is my last thing in my box, you guys, for this month. I'm excited about the Sword Brazilian lip butter and then the Farsali. What? And I'm glad I got brushes, but that bag need to go. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys got in your box this month. I think I got like variation 55. Yeah, 55, which I didn't even know they go up that high with so many different variations. That's a bit crazy. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got this month, and I will see you guys in my next one. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Love you guys. Stay kind. Bye.